Hey everyone, it's Robert over at Bloomington Acura Subaru. Today we are sitting inside of a 2023 Acura Integra A-Spec Tech with the 6-speed manual. There's our 3 pedals down below. Obviously you already know that if you clicked on this video because this video only applies to the 6-speed manual. So if you are trying to turn on or off your auto rev match system, it's very simple. You're going to go over to your vehicle settings. We're going to go to Driver Assist System Setup, and we're going to go down to Rev Match System. So it's right there. You can turn that on and off, and for those of you who want to read it, turns on and off the system, which adjusts the engine's RPM to match the optimal speed of the gear that is about to be engaged. So as someone who drives a 6-speed manual car every single day, I actually love the Rev Match system. I think it makes it that much smoother and easier when you're driving in traffic, things like that. But for those of you who want a more pure drive, I understand if you want to turn that off. So that's how you get to it. One more time, you're just going to go to your vehicle settings, driver assist system setup. You're going to go down and rev match system right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one.